Well, it's kind of overcast out here. I'm about a half hour early, so I'm gonna go inside and get something to eat. I don't see anybody that I might recognize, no classics or anything out here yet, so I'm gonna go inside. But this is Drive by Cars with Alan. I do want to do something real quick though. I want everybody to do me a favor, and in your search engine on your YouTube, go to YouTube search engine and type in Factory-ish and go check out the Factory-ish podcast. It's where I work for Street Metal Concepts. They just gave me a shout out on their podcast, so thank you Zip, thank you Kurt, thank you everybody over at Street Metal Concepts. Thank you for everybody that watches this. Please go watch their stuff. Gorgeous. It's going to be a great day out here for doing some videos. Hey Joe, what's happening, buddy?
Why don't you?
How you doing?
Why don't you video it? Tape it.
When?
Just right now. There's a second.
Oh, you're going to put me on the boat?
Just for Dave will come by and then we'll just drop you off. That's where you'll video it.
I got a ride on an airboat this morning. Here we go. You never know what you're going to get into. All right, thanks Joe. I'm invited to go out with Joe on his airboat rides. This is down here on Highway 44. Airboat rides. There's his phone number, 904-891-1817. This video today is going to be brought to you by Uncle Jed's Airboat, Captain Jed's. www.captainjeds.com. You can probably schedule right there. Call 904-891-1817.
Now they are too. So.
This is Mr. Allen.
Oh, hi.
Hey, I used to serve you coffee, remember? Next door?
I do. Yeah, I didn't recognize you from over there. Yeah, but
right,
yes,
yeah.
I know you.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is we're going to put these folks on the boat. We're going to put Mr. Allen on the front of the boat for you can just video. We're going to bring him
I got
out.
a sign over there.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's cool.
You got nice.
Now, how do you guys want to sit today?
Let me get the cushion.
There's a couple different ways.
Be a little chilly this morning.
This is awesome, Joe. Thank you. Where are you guys from?
We're from Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. That's awesome. Yes, ma'am. Are you guys okay with that? I put this on my YouTube channel. I do cars. I build cars and I go around and take videos of cars. And I got some people meeting me here today. So, but Joe offered to give me a ride. So, yeah, right over here. Yeah. We're just gonna run up the river here. Put my sign on the side of the river. I asked him if he would take a picture. He said, "No, just get on my boat and come take the picture for yourself." So this is a pretty cool experience. I didn't expect to come out here this morning and end up on an airboat. This is the Shady Oaks restaurant I was telling everybody about. I worked there for about a year serving coffee in the morning. I know the owners of the place. They're really good people. Come down here and eat some breakfast or lunch or dinner with them. They'll serve you beer at night too if you come out here. They're good people. They just built this bridge not too long ago. It's only been open for about, I guess, 6 months. It took them 3 months or 3 years to build this bridge. And they actually, you can see they're tearing the old one down now right there. That's the last vestiges of it. That's that section across with the little holes in it. That's where the old road base used to be. So that's the difference in the levels of the bridge. Fabulous ride. Thank you, Joe. I appreciate that, buddy. He's going to take me back up and he's going to drop me off. Please do me a favor. Like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Drive By Cars with Alan on YouTube, and you can also find me on Facebook. Drive By Cars.
It's not a good picture. They won't post it.
Right.
You know what I mean? So when I get to see, you know, you took a bunch of mine and talked to me. If you don't post that, I mean, I understand that because I know what people.
This is going to be a good day today. What we're probably going to do is we're going to go out there and we're going to get my truck. Wait till you see the man's car. This is going to be a really cool drive. I'm going to put my camera behind it, have him come past me a little bit. He just come down here from Idaho, so he's not used to getting all this attention on his car. I'm going to go out, we're going to walk around with it, let him tell me what he's built, and then we'll take some rolling footage off of it. This is
Todd Morgan.
Todd Morgan. Yeah. Thank you, Todd. I appreciate you coming down here today. He just bought my breakfast, so I owe him a little bit. We're going to make him a video so that he says he's only got one picture of his car. When he's going from here today, he's going to have quite a few. So thanks for watching Drive By Cars with Alan. I appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe and like the channel. I'm going to eat my breakfast. All right. Well, we've got out to the car. Do me a favor, just a second. Tell me a little bit about this car. What are we riding in?
It's a 1928 Model A sedan, two-door. It's chopped 3 inches, channeled 5 inches. It's got a 351 Windsor board and stroke to a 408. That come out of a 1-ton truck.
Wow.
It's got a Borg Warner T5 transmission out of a Mustang. The rear end is a Ford 8.8 inch. 373 gears, posi traction out of a Ford Explorer. It's got disc brakes all the way around, and me and my sons built it from the ground up. We built the frame, the firewall, dash, floor, did all the interior. We installed the sliding rag top.
Awesome.
It's just been a work in progress. It's non-stop work. Every time you can find something to improve on it, we try to do it.
Right.
One of the features about it is I love the original. That's an original 1928 license plate.
Wow.
That's the only year Idaho made a plate like that. It's a single year.
That's
they're
cool.
real popular and they're getting harder to find.
Right. Are you the artist with the pinstriping? Did you do that?
No, my daughter has a Cricut vinyl cutter, and the North Idaho Rat Rods and Customs logo I painted, the door logo and the number 408 on the cowl I painted. And Josh McCurdy out of Spokane did all of the pinstriping and the pinstriping on the letters and outline and highlights. Name of his company is Create Airbrush Studios, and he does awesome work.
Awesome. Well, you know, it's time for a ride. Enough talk. Let's go for a ride, man. All right, so enough talk. We are getting ready to go for a ride.
And it does have seat belts.
Okay. This is cool. All right, and the other camera's running. You ready? Yes, sir. man. Wow, what a cool day. Took a ride in an airboat, and I just got back from taking a ride in that 1928 Ford. Thanks for watching. It's been a fabulous day. You never know what you're gonna get into unless you ask. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.